Tray dryers. Tray dryers are classified as fixed-bed convective dryers. They are insulated cabinets with fans, heaters, and a series of stacked trays. The wet material is placed on the trays. The material is dried by the circulation of warm air over the wet material. To prevent the air from cooling down within the dryer, it is reheated at the end of each tray. The rate of drying can be improved by increasing the temperature and flow rate of the warm air or by decreasing the quantity of material on the trays. Equipment control parameters 2. Relative humidity. The relative humidity, or RH, will affect the rate of drying and the final moisture content of the material. If the humidity of the drying air is too high, then the solid material will not dry. Drying time. The material must be given sufficient time to dry. The load size and the drying temperature will determine the length of time required to dry the material. For example, a smaller load will take less time to dry than a larger load. Safety. The appropriate PPE must be worn when working near a dryer. This includes a coverall suit, hairnet, safety glasses, shoe covers, dust mask, and thermal protective gloves. This prevents the product from becoming contaminated. The operator is also protected from contamination by the product and from the drying equipment. Operators must take care not to burn themselves when removing the product on the hot trays from the oven. All warning signs must be obeyed. Some dryers have a safety device that will only allow the doors to be opened when the temperature inside the oven is at a minimum value. This prevents the operator from getting burnt. The operator should take care to avoid back injuries when placing and removing trays of material into and out of the oven.